One bright morning, 5-year-old Masil ran across the green fields behind his house. His tiny feet barely touched the soft grass as he chased a yellow butterfly. He laughed, his curly brown hair bouncing in the wind. Suddenly, he heard a soft cry. It was a weak, painful sound. Masil stopped. He looked around, his big, curious eyes searching for the source of the noise. Near a fallen tree, he saw something small and feathery. "A bird?" Masil whispered, walking closer. It was a baby eagle. Its wing was bent in a strange way, and its tiny body trembled. Masil's heart filled with sadness. He knelt down beside it. "Don't worry, little bird, I'll help you," he said softly. Masil gently picked up the baby eagle, wrapping it in his small blue sweater. He held it close to his chest, feeling its heartbeat. It was so tiny, so helpless. Carefully, he ran back home. "Mama, Mama," he called, his voice full of worry. His mother, a kind woman with warm eyes, rushed outside. "What is it, Masil?" He held up the baby eagle. "It's hurt, Mama. We need to help." His mother looked at the bird and nodded. "We will, my love." They made a soft bed for the eagle in a small wooden box. His mother cleaned its wing and wrapped it in a bandage. The baby eagle let out a weak cry but stayed still. "Will it be okay, Mama?" Masil asked, his voice shaking. "It just needs rest and love," she said, stroking Masil's hair. Every day, Masil took care of the eagle. He fed it small pieces of fish, spoke to it in a gentle voice, and sat beside it when it slept. "I will call you Feather," he whispered one night, watching the baby eagle sleep peacefully. Weeks passed, and Feather grew stronger. One day, its wing had healed enough to move. It flapped, testing its strength. Masil's eyes widened with joy. "Feather, you're getting better," he cheered. His father built a small open cage in the backyard so Feather could practice flying. Masil watched as the baby eagle stretched its wings, flapping harder each day. Then one sunny morning, Masil knew it was time. "You have to go home now, Feather," he said, his voice soft but brave. He carried Feather to the top of the hill. The wind was strong, rustling through the trees. Masil opened his arms, and Feather hopped onto his hands. For a moment, the eagle looked at him. Masil felt a deep connection, as if Feather was thanking him. Then, with a strong flap of its wings, Feather took off into the sky. Masil watched, his heart full of love and a little sadness. "Goodbye, Feather," he whispered, wiping a happy tear. And as the eagle soared high, Masil knew he had made a friend forever.